Ingay mo. Too much bird. Where's the bird? Where is the bird? Ah. Kiss nanay. Kiss nanay, dali. Kiss ka nanay, baby. Where's the bird? Where is the bird? Too much bird. Too much bird. Pinapainitan ko yung baby namin. Baby ko. Ito si Pumpkin. Pinapainitan kasi malamig masyado sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. Morning, my little cookie. Where's your friend? Cookie, come nanay. Come here. Daming ibon, no? Hello, nagpapainit kami dito. Inaabang. Yala.